Now let's get to Napoleon Hill's principle number 8 of success, and it's one of my favorites: persistence. Don't stop until you get what you want. Success is not as much about intelligence as it is about the scrappiest, the hardest working people who stick to things. If you follow sports, I'm sure you are well aware of this instance where you get a lot of people who are drafted, very talented athletes, but if they're not hardworking, their talents go to waste. So the hard work, that's the recipe. Long-term, persistent, hard work. I can draw on this too because at one moment early in my entrepreneurial career, I was really struggling and really had a lot of doubts and a lot of failure. And I had this moment where I was like, well, I should just go back to get a job and I should quit. And really, like 2 months later, I didn't quit and things began to look up, things to do better. But I was at such a low point. And if I had quit, I would have thought, oh yeah, I'm bad at business. But it grew and I became successful, at least in my own right. But it's only through perseverance and persistence. And recall an earlier point where we talked about people who quit at the first sign of failure, they're usually not successful, and people who persevere through the hard times, and the hard times sometimes can be really hard. I know it myself, I've been there. But that's the thing that gets people to succeed. So you stick with your business and you make things work. And when people often study genius, like people give the example of Einstein. Einstein himself used to say, I wasn't even the smartest in my class, but I was the one who stuck with the problem the longest. Success is all about persistence over time.